Hey guys, my name's Heath. I'm the finance manager here at Family Fun RV. I just wanted to do a quick little video to talk to you guys about RV financing, answer some questions you might have, and give you a line direct to me so I can help you out if you have any further questions after this, which I'm sure you will. Couple of the things that you need to know about RV financing is it's much different than an auto loan. The terms are longer. It's a recreational loan. Payments are generally going to be lower than you might think. So for most people, payments are going to be somewhere between $85 and $100 per $10,000 you borrow. So a $30,000 RV is going to end up being about a $300 a month payment. Of course, it's going to depend on how much you put down, but as a rule of thumb, 100 is a good place to start per 10,000 you borrow. So that leads into the next point: is how much do I need to put down? And 10% is a good rule of thumb. You definitely want to present your strongest case for getting the financing that you need. So 10% is a good place to start. But that being said, zero down is possible. It's easier to get something like that on a new unit than a used unit. A lot of people come in here thinking we have to buy used because of our budget and whatnot. But new units tend to be easier to get financing on. The reason that is because they're going to look at the MSRP. At least some banks are going to look at the MSRP. And when our sale price is much lower than the MSRP, then that's a lot of positive equity that the bank is going to be looking at to be able to walk into a new unit as opposed to a used unit. So that's the down payment. That's what your monthly payments are going to look like. Some other general things that you want to consider is you want to have some kind of comparable credit to what you're borrowing. If you're looking to borrow $30,000, then you want to have borrowed something close to that. It doesn't have to be 30, but if you've borrowed 20, 25 on a car, that's gonna look pretty good to the bank if you've paid that off in good standing. Another way to look at it is you want to be making close to what you're borrowing. So you want to be making $50,000 a year if you're borrowing $50,000. We have a lot of financing options. People with credit challenges, we have options for you. We have credit unions, we have banks, we have subprime lenders. So a lot of different places to go to shop and get you a good rate, try to get you the financing you want. One more thing that I want to touch on is that a lot of people come in and say, well, how much do I qualify for? Can I qualify for financing? How much can you give me? And that's really hard to answer, even looking at your credit, because what we need to do is we need to have a goal. When we submit you to a bank. So when a bank has something to look at, and we say that we want to borrow this much for this specific unit, that's how that's going to work the best. So I encourage you to come in, find the unit that you really want, and we can do our best to get you financing for that. And if at worst we can't get it done, then you know where you stand. But if you don't come in, if you don't ask, you got to have a goal to be able to get there. So I'm definitely into helping you try to get there. I'll do everything I can to get you the financing now. So I encourage you to come in, find that RV that you're dreaming of, and let's see what we can do for you. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. I'll definitely get back to you. Here's my direct line. There's my email. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody, and have a great day.